My name is Cassandra. I am 28 years old, and right now I am sitting in my car outside a restaurant where the two men I love are about to meet each other. They don't know it yet. This is going to destroy everything. But let me tell you how I got here. 2 months ago, my father gave me an ultimatum. Choose a husband in 90 days or lose everything. The money, the company, the inheritance. Everything gone. My father is dying. His heart is failing. He has maybe 1 year left. He refuses to leave his fortune to a single woman. He says I need protection. I thought he was joking. He was not. So I had 90 days to find someone and choose my entire future. The problem? I fell in love. Twice. Leon, 32 years old. He's an architect. He plans everything 5 years ahead. We met at a charity event. He makes me feel like everything will be okay. Like life can be peaceful and good. Leon thinks I am a marketing consultant with a normal life. He doesn't know about the money or the deadline or the choice I am facing. But then there is Marco, 29 years old, chef, owns a small restaurant in Brooklyn, passionate about everything. Makes me feel alive in a way I have never felt before. Marco thinks I am a struggling writer. He doesn't know I have more money than he'll ever see. When I'm with Marco, I feel free. So I dated both of them. Tuesday and Saturday with Leon, Thursday and Sunday with Marco. Last week, Leon told me he was falling in love with me. We were in Central Park. He held my hands and said, "Cassandra, I think you're the one." My heart broke because he was so honest and I was lying to his face. 2 days later, Marco kissed me in his restaurant kitchen after closing. He said, "You make me believe in things I stopped believing in." I was torn in half. Then yesterday, everything exploded. I was having dinner with Leon at an expensive Manhattan restaurant. We were laughing, holding hands. Everything was perfect. Then Marco walked in. Our eyes met across the room. His face changed. He saw me with Leon. Marco turned and walked out. I ran after him, left Leon sitting there confused. "Marco, wait!" He stopped on the sidewalk. His face was cold. "Who is he?" "A friend," I lied. "Don't," Marco said. "Don't lie to me. I deserve better." "Are you seeing him?" Marco asked quietly. I couldn't answer. My silence said everything. Marco laughed bitterly. "I thought you were real." Then he walked away. I stood there shaking, knowing I'd just lost something I couldn't get back. I went back to Leon. He asked if I was okay. That night, I couldn't sleep. I kept seeing Marco's face, the betrayal in his eyes. This morning, my father called. He wanted a name, a decision. I didn't have an answer, so I made a crazy decision. I called both of them. I told Leon to meet me at Rossi's restaurant at 7 p.m. I told Marco to meet me at Rossi's restaurant at 7 p.m. Neither of them knows the other is coming. I am going to tell them everything. And I am going to let them decide if either of them still wants me. Now, I am sitting in my car outside Rossi's. My heart is racing. My hands are shaking. This is either the bravest or stupidest thing I have ever done. I get out of my car, walk toward the restaurant. Marco sees me. Cassandra, what's going on? Come inside, I say. Please. We walk in together. Leon is sitting at a table. He sees me, smiles, then sees Marco beside me. The smile disappears. Cassandra! Leon stands up, confused. Sit down, I say. Both of you, please. They sit, on opposite sides of the table, staring at each other, then at me. I need to tell you both something. And after I tell you, you can both leave. You can both hate me. I'll understand. I take a breath. My name is Cassandra Wells. My father owns Wells Industries. I am worth millions. In 30 days, I have to choose a husband, or my father will take everything away. Leon's face goes pale. Marco leans back in his chair. What? I have been lying to both of you. Leon, I am not a marketing consultant. Marco, I am not a struggling writer. I am a rich girl with a deadline and a choice I couldn't make. So I dated both of you. Because Leon makes me feel safe, and Marco makes me feel alive. And I couldn't choose. I still can't choose. So I'm here to tell you the truth, all of it, and to ask if either of you could possibly forgive me. If either of you could possibly still want me knowing everything I have done. Leon speaks first. His voice is cold. You lied to me for 2 months? Yes. You used me, Leon says, like an option, like a backup plan. Yes, I whisper. Marco is quiet, just staring at me. I am so sorry to both of you. You deserved better. You deserved honesty. And I was too scared and too selfish to give it to you. Leon stands up. I can't do this. He walks out, doesn't look back. My chest hurts. Now it's just me and Marco. Marco is still staring at me, his face unreadable. You are rich, Marco says finally. Yes. You have 30 days to choose a husband. Yes. And you have been lying to me since the day we met? Yes. Marco leans forward. Why? Because with you, I felt like someone else. Someone free. Someone who didn't have to perform or pretend or live up to expectations. With you, I was just Cassandra. But that wasn't real, Marco says. That person doesn't exist. She does, I say desperately. She exists when I'm with you. That's the real me. The money, the deadline, the pressure. That's the fake part. You are the only real thing I have. Marco is quiet for a long time. I need to ask you something, he says, and I need the truth. Do you love me? Yes, I say. I love you. Do you love Leon? I hesitate. I thought I did, but it was different. And now I only want you, I say. But I understand if you can't forgive me. If you walk away right now, I'll understand. Marco stands up. My heart breaks. But instead of leaving, he takes my hand. I should leave, he says. I should walk away and never look back. But I can't. Because I love you too. Even knowing everything, even knowing you lied, I still love you. But we need rules, Marco says firmly. No more lies about anything. And I don't care about your money. I don't want it. I don't need it. If you choose me, you choose my life, my restaurant, my world, not mansions and fancy dinners. I don't want mansions, I say. I just want you. And your father, Marco asks. What about the inheritance? Let him donate it all, I say. I don't need it. I just need you. Marco smiles. You are crazy. He kisses me right there in the restaurant, in front of everyone. When we pull apart, he says, So, marry me. I laugh through my tears. 3 weeks later, I married Marco in a small ceremony at his restaurant. My father didn't come. He cut me off completely, donated everything to charity just like he promised. I don't care, because I have Marco and his little restaurant and a life that's mine.